Shenzhen Pincheng Motor Company, one of the biggest manufacturer of micro motor in China. Our main product is micro pump, micro motor, micro valve, micro gear motor, etc. Those product was widely used in the industry as lighting, locks, beauty equipment, security product, toys, medical device, home appliance, etc. Our company started in 2007. Cover factory area above 20,000 square meter. With 500 employees, we can produce motor product more than 50 million pieces a year. We have many certifications, such as FDA, SGS, FSC and ISO, etc., to meet our global clients' needs. And we have long-term and stable business partnership with many branded companies, such as Dyson, Omron, Buer, Panasonic, Microlight, etc. We are follow all standard like ISO 9000, ISO 14000, ROHS in our daily production management. We keep increase automation in our production line and testing equipments. Make sure our products are 100% tested and qualified. With 12 years experience in micromotor industry, we can provide most professional and cost-effective product to our clients. Our sales team always put customer satisfaction in first support and help to growing our customers' business. Thank you.